Allingham with the Virtual Weber Bullet. Today I'm making cheesy corn, Kansas City style cheesy corn. This is a recipe that comes from Cook's Country magazine. It's based on or inspired by the cheesy corn bake that they sell at Jack's Stack Barbecue in Kansas City, Missouri. Here are the ingredients for this recipe. You'll need 2 slices of bacon cut into 1/2 inch pieces, 4 ears of corn, kernels cut from the cob. That renders 3 cups of freshly cut corn. If corn is in season, by all means, please use fresh corn. It's the best. If you got to use frozen corn, you can do that. You will need 14 ounces of frozen corn for this recipe. 4 ounces of ham steak cut into 1/2 inch pieces, 1 cup of whole milk, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of table salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you're sensitive to heat, you might want to take that down to 1/8 of a teaspoon. And finally, 6 ounces or 1½ cups of yellow shredded cheese, cheddar cheese. Put those bacon pieces in a large skillet over medium heat and cook them till they're crispy. That's going to take 5 to 7 minutes. When the bacon's done, add the corn, the ham, the milk, the cream cheese, the garlic, the salt, the pepper, and the cayenne to the pan, and break up that cream cheese with a spatula. You want to cook that over medium heat, stirring it occasionally until the cream cheese is fully melted and the mixture just starts to bubble around the edges of the saucepan. That's going to take about 8 to 10 minutes. You are going to have a mixture that is very liquidy. As that corn mixture is bubbling away, you want to get the oven ready. Move the oven rack 6 inches from the broiler element and turn on the broiler. Get yourself a 1½ quart BROILER-SAFE baking dish. This has to be broiler safe. You can't use a glass Pyrex dish. Those are not broiler safe. You need something that's stoneware, something that's marked as being broiler safe. When that corn mixture is bubbling around the edges and all the cream cheese is melted, you want to pull the pan off heat, stir in 1 cup of cheddar cheese. It's going to take about 30 minutes for it to melt. When it's all melted, transfer the mixture into that broiler safe baking dish and top it with the remaining 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese. Put it immediately under the broiler, and you want to broil it until the cheese is melted and you get some brownness on that cheese. It's going to take about 3 minutes. And when that is done, it is ready to serve. Serve it right away while it's piping hot. This is how it looks when you scooped into it. And here's how it looks when you scooped it into a serving bowl. You got some melty and brown cheese on top and this liquidy corn cheesy goodness down below. Just a couple of closing comments. I do think this recipe would be best with fresh corn, so if you've got it in season, by all means use it. The sweeter the better. The cheese and the garlic and the cayenne really do dominate in this recipe. If you have bland corn, you will get the crunch, the texture of the corn, but the flavor really can be lost underneath all that cheese and cream cheese and spices. So a good fresh sweet corn really is a benefit in terms of being able to stand up to everything else that's in this recipe. But give cheesy corn a try. I think you'll like it. It's a nice addition to your barbecue table. I want to thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate you very much. If you like and subscribe, it helps everybody find them. Until next time, take care, everybody. Bye-bye.